first project success, so second project started. Second project. Hi friends, so after 20 days due to rain and all those things, so it has taken bit more time because in May month and June month we got more rains. That is the reason it has taken more time. See, in between time in the pot of dry, so my family ate, my son mainly, he ate 50% of the day. 50% of bananas, so that is the reason these bananas are now very less. Sorry for that thing. So these are very nice now. So you can see here, so completely dried, and now we can call as a dry banana, like dry fruits. This is also called dry banana. We can eat yesterday. Like dry fruits, what you will do, overnight soak it in the water and morning you eat this one. It is very healthy. So now you can't find any wastage food here in bananas because of every time we will buy so many bananas and we will waste it at the end of the time. So now you can understand, we no need to waste any single banana. Yeah, that's it friends. So try and enjoy. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for watching Crazy Indian Hacker. So please subscribe and like my video.